Today I'm going to discuss with you all your new syllabi introduced for your SYBA course. And the first paper is quickly I'm going to discuss with you the first paper of SYBA compulsory English core course paper choice based credit system 70/30 pattern with effect from 2020-2021 pre-credit course. So let's begin quickly. Quickly, we are going to take a review of this paper. Okay, here you are going to have semester 3 prescribed text, panorama, values and skills through literature. Unit 1 prose section. There will be 3 prose units. Simple philosophy, homecoming, virtue. Unit 2nd poetry, palanquin bearers on the grasshopper and the cricket. Pied Beauty by J.M. Hopkins. Unit 3 grammar section, passive voice, direct indirect speech, negative sentences. In unit number 4, vocabulary, one word substitutes, idioms, suffixes and prefixes. This unit is introduced. Unit number 4, soft skills, leadership skills, teamwork skills. So this is your semester 3. Semester 4 compulsory English SYBA. Let's go through the units. Unit number 1, prose section. 3 units in prose section: the Chicago speech, the lottery ticket, the open window. Unit 2nd, poetry, on Another Sorrow by William Blake, Laugh and Be Merry, John Mansfield, The Rock and the Bubble, Lucia, Louisa May Alcott. Unit number 3, grammar section. In grammar section, question tags, simple, compound and complex sentences, degrees of comparison. Unit 4, vocabulary, collocations, words that go together, phrasal verbs, commonly confused words. Unit 5, soft skills. In soft skills, two subunits, problem solving skills, time management. So we have done with compulsory English paper syllabus. So this is going to be a syllabus for core course compulsory English SYBA introduced from this academic year. Now next paper, Skill Enhancement Course SEC1A, which was earlier entitled as General English G2 paper. Choice based credit system, Skill Enhancement Course 70/30 pattern with effect from, as you can see, the academic year. Okay, let's go through quickly the units. Semester 3. First unit, phonology, organs of speech, speech mechanism, description, classification of consonants, vowels, concept of syllable, word accent and all. Unit 2, morphology. What is morphology? And let me tell you quickly students, unit 2, unit 3, these both units, they are already introduced in TYBA course in your 2014-15 syllabus of TYBA. So you can refer study material of TYBA, which I have already uploaded on our Savitribai Phule Pune University study material portal. So let's go through morphology unit. Second unit, morphology, concept of morphology, concept of morpheme, allomorph, zero allomorph. So this complete unit is available. Then again, sociolinguistics is your third unit. Let's go through the semester 4. Prescribed unit, linguistic course contents. Let's go through the units. Syntax in semester 4 first. Concept of phrase, phrase structure, rules, types of phrases which you can see on your screen. Next, semantics, introductory. Third, pragmatics, introductory. What is pragmatics? Speech acts, types. So student, once again I want to tell all of you that pragmatics and both the units I have already covered in my study material. So if you want study material, you can go through Savitribai Phule Pune University study material portal where I have uploaded the study material for semantics and pragmatics units, and they are already there in TYBA course, but you can refer this same material for this paper as well.